We bought a couple $100 worth of firecrackers. Unbelievable. I'm going to set one off now, but we have to scoot because we're around. It's sort of bush, but there's a few houses over there. So once that car disappears, I'm going to light it. It's going to go off, and then we're going to jump in the car. Keep it going too when we're in the car, right?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Run!
Keep it going. Keep it
Okay.
going.
Okay.
Keep it going.
Yes, it's true. They put us down. You see, one of us from the wrong
Oh, I just
Is that on fire? They're all, it's all on fire.
Oh shit, Greg.
Right over it.
It's gonna put him out. Oh, far out. Oh no.
Let's get out of it. She did say that.
Watch out. Watch out, you're doing head on.
Oh shit. Fucking hell, mate.
Sorry. I lost it. Oh my God.